Hey everyone, Don Master here. Got a DEWALT Mac tool haul. My dealer just got 12 of these yesterday, and I was thinking about getting one, but I ended up not. And then today I'm like, hey, you still got them? And he's like, yeah, come meet up, we'll get it. He only had a couple left. Sold 10 of them in one day. So I've never seen this before in stores yet. I've seen the older model, kind of looks funny, but this one is updated. It's a 20 volt cordless dry hand vacuum, tool only. Part number DCV501HB. I paid $159 for it, so I think it was fairly reasonable. We're gonna do an unboxing on it and show you what it looks like, how it works. Looks like it comes with some attachments. Comes with a bag for your attachments. Comes with a hose attachment. That'll be nice for getting into tight places. Comes with a brush attachment. Comes with your owner's manual. Comes with some sort of clip for the side. And it comes with a good sized floor cleaning attachment with wheels. That's nice. There she is. Also comes with a lot of attachments. A stick attachment. And wow. Another brush attachment, circular brush attachment. Oh, another. And it comes with another hose attachment. So, before I show you how it works, see if we can find the specs on the box. So, it includes the cordless vacuum, extension, flexible hose, crevice nozzle, round brush, gulper brush, floor nozzle, HEPA filter, and accessory bag. Airflow rate is 46 CFM. Air watts, watt air, 65 watts, 20 volt tool. It's a 0.7 liter capacity or 23.6 ounce. Runtime with a 5 amp hour battery is 21 minutes. Not bad. Brushed motor, so it's not brushless. Whoop-de-doo. Got a HEPA filter. And dry only, not wet. And it weighs 3.3 pounds. Tool only, no battery. Yes, this is made in China. As far as the warranty goes, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service, and 90-day money-back guarantee. So, here's the vacuum. HEPA Construction Hand Vac. Got a lock button. You can pop off the HEPA cartridge for dumping out your junk after sucking it up. Oh, there's a tab on the bottom it's got to be lined up with. Okay. And yeah, it's a pretty nice unit. So we'll put a 4 amp on it. See how it sounds with the 4 amp. That's a 4 amp. Pretty good power. And then I'm going to put a 9 amp on her. See how she really runs. See, that's a real battery right there if you want run time. I need to get a 12 or a 15. So with the 9, that's how she looks with the 9 on her. You can hear that it really does go.